Hi guys, first of all let me introduce myself. My name is ADHISTIRA FAJAR. I'm a college student in the State Polytechnic of Banjarmasin, majoring in Informatic Engineering. Did you know Photoshop? Photoshop is an editor software made by Adobe System that is specialized in editing photos or image and creating effects. You can get this software by buying it on the Adobe website or using a trial version. Here, I will make a realistic photo done anime style with Photoshop, and this is the result. The first, open the Photoshop. After that, drag and drop the main photo. And then, duplicate it. We will select the cloud in the main photo. Here, I will use the quick selection tools. After the clouds are selected, we have to delete them. Drag and drop the anime cloud image. Adjust it. Place the anime clouds layer under the main photo. After that, edit the main photo so that it will blend with the anime clouds. Go to Filter, convert to Smart Filter, go to the filter again, Camera Raw filter, and adjust it to make it look integrated with the anime cloud. To make it look smoother, set in again in the filter, stylish and diffuse. Choose anisotropic. Here, I will add a gallery filter to make it look real. Next, we will add sunlight effect. Drag and drop the sunlight image. Set the blending setting to screen. Then adjust. To make it more anime style, I will add text in Japanese. Last, finish and save your photo. So that is how to make a realistic photo into anime style with Photoshop from me. Hopefully, this video is useful for everyone and don't forget to comment and like. Thank you.